Welcome back to the channel, guys. Don't forget to hit this video with a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Let's get started. For this video, we're using a Tomahawk Ribeye steak. As you can see, it's very, very thick, and that is essential for a reverse sear. You do not want to use this on a thinner cut of steak. You're just not going to get the same effect. It's going to cook way too quickly, guys. So all I'm doing here is brushing it with a little bit of olive oil. After that, we're going to generously coat it with salt, pepper, and onion powder. And when I say generous, I mean generous. This thing has to be seasoned up to perfection, and to do so, you got to go heavy-handed with the seasoning, guys. You got to just let it go, man. But of course, we're gonna flip over that beautiful steak and repeat the process and get the other side seasoned up correctly, seasoned up to perfection as well, guys. And we have our oven already preheated to 250 degrees. And all I'm gonna do is gonna lay this Tomahawk ribeye on this pan here and toss it into the oven. And we're gonna leave it in the oven until it's 10 degrees short of your target temperature. So if you're looking for a medium rare, you wanna take it out at 120 and so on and so forth. So I like mine's well done, so I cooked mine to those specifications. So now, once it's done cooking and I got it to the temperature that I needed, I have my pan super hot, and I'm gonna sear this steak on both sides for about a minute or so on each side. And once I flip it over the first time, now it's time to add that butter. Now it's time to add that garlic, and now it's time to add that rosemary and get all those beautiful, lovely flavors talking to each other and just coming together for this beautiful, wonderful dish. And also very important, we're gonna start basting this steak with that butter. We're gonna throw some of those garlic cloves on top. We're also gonna throw some of that rosemary on top, and we're just gonna continue to baste it over and over with that butter. We need to infuse this steak with all these amazing ingredients, and we're just gonna continue basting it and basting it over and over until it's time to take it off the stove top. And voila, our steak is ready. Our steak is juicy, our steak is moist. And very important as well, you're gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes or so. And looky here. We have a beautiful, well-cooked steak. And like I said, I like my steak closer to well done. I know some people go crazy. Oh my gosh, it's supposed to be medium rare or it's supposed to be rare. This is how I like my steak, and you can cook your steak the way you want it. Just pay very close attention to the temperatures. This is how I like my stuff. And it is so good and so flavorful. You will not go to Roof Chris. You would not go to no more steak houses. Why? Because you could cook 10 times better steak at the comfort of your home. And it's so easy, takes almost no effort at all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, don't forget to leave a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video.